What's going on, guys? AR Car Reviews here with another video, and in today's video we are going to be unboxing and reviewing the Fitcamx dash cam courtesy of Fitcamx. So let's get into it. But first, let me tell you guys about the Fitcamx and why I think this is one of the best new dash cams out right now. Living in New York City, there's always something crazy happening around your car. Trust me, a semi-truck might decide that you gotta take the train to work from now on, or someone else might decide that they want to play pinball with your car and drive on the side of the street like they're delivering Uber Eats on a moped. Whatever it may be, how do you explain these NYC moments to Jake from State Farm? He's gonna look at you like, you bugging. Here's how. With the Fitcamx dash cam, the Fitcamx dash cam focuses on having an OEM look so people won't even know that they're being recorded. This camera features Wi-Fi connection with the free Fitcamx app, loop recording, super wide angle shots with HDR, and a G sensor for when your neighbor's children forget how to drive. Link will be in the description where you can get up to 6% off your next Fitcamx dash cam. You guys can use discount code ARCAR on the Fitcamx site and code Fitcamx Honda on Amazon.com. Get yours today. Alright, let's start this unboxing and then get to the installation for the dash cam. Off of first impression, we get a clean white box that's very compact and neat with the Fitcamx logo and their motto "Ideas for Driving" on the side. Inside of the box we get two more smaller boxes, one for the dash cam and the other one for the accessories. Underneath those boxes is the user manual for the Fitcamx, where you can find the QR code on the first page to help you install the camera, or you can watch this video and help to set it up when you're finished with that. Checking out the dash cam, we can see that it looks fairly compact and is not usually how most dash cams look nowadays, with others having a long wire that you can literally tie around your car. We also get 3 other accessories, which makes it pretty simple and neat since we only need 4 things to actually make this dash cam work. This dash cam has 2 buttons, one to turn the dash cam on or off and another button to snap a picture. Next to that is the LED light, which helps you know whether the camera is recording or not. On the back of the camera we have 3M tape to paste the car's front windshield, and on the other side we have the micro SD card holder that comes with a micro SD card inside. For the accessories we have a plastic pry tool, the Y cable connector, and an SD card reader to check the dash cam on a computer. Now that we have everything unboxed, let's install the dash cam and see how it actually looks on the car. Looking at my old dash cam, it works fine, but it looks really awkward in the middle of my windshield, and seeing all the extra wires every time I drive is really an eyesore. Let's uninstall this and see how the new Fitcamx compares. Out with the old and in with the new. So the first step to get this dash cam installed is to use the pry tool and remove the cover clips for the center map lights. This can be a little tricky at first, but is actually really easy to do with this tool. Next up, we have 2 Phillips screws that hold the overhead console in place, so grab a screwdriver and unscrew them out. This is the only tool that is not included in the kit. Then pull down the console and out to expose the wires, making sure that the car is off. From here we can see that there's 3 connectors for the overhead console. Unplug the connector for the map light located on the left of the housing and plug in the Y cable connector that came with the dash cam. Plug in the adapter that fits into the connectors and do not force anything. It should go in like a puzzle piece with no resistance. Now only one connector should be disconnected, and that is the only one for the dash cam. Using the pry tool, we can fish the dash camera's wire through the overhead lining and connect it to its adapter. Make sure that the lines on the connectors match to show you exactly where to connect the wires. Remove the 3M tape on the back of the dash cam and the protective film on the camera lens, then paste the camera slowly in between the back of the rearview mirror, applying enough force to make sure that the camera stays there. Now that the camera has power and is in place, push back in the overhead console, screw in the 2 Phillips screws and put the cover clips back in. And wow, look at that dash camera looking so much better tucked away behind the rearview mirror instead of being exposed in the front of the windshield. Now let's take the camera for a spin and see how it looks. First in the daytime, then in the night. And wow, look at the camera shots in 4K HD quality. It produces really good footage and features for the price. And best of all, it makes your car look a lot better than having a big dash cam in the middle of your screen. Fitcamx makes dashcam based on the make and model of your car, so you don't have to worry about a universal product not fitting the car that you drive. It also looks way better than most dashcams in people's cars because it's hidden and tucked away. I'll be posting a video update about using this camera after some months, but right now it's very simple and easy to live with. You don't have to turn the camera on or off after every use since it gets your energy from the car. When your car is off, the camera's off, and when your car is on, the camera is on too. Using the Fitcam application was really easy as well. You can add your dashcam, get real-time footage of what your camera sees, and change the settings from your phone. With the application, you are able to view the files for your dashcam saved under Loop, snapshots you've taken under Snapshots, and any locked files that are, as the name implies, files that your camera locks. These files will not be overwritten and are usually saved as locked in the case of an accident or a collision, so Fitcamx got your back. You can also change the camera's video resolution and exposure while having driving collision sensing and parking monitoring available depending on what model camera you bought. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out and get this amazing deal of a dashcam. Link will be in the description where you can get a 6% discount code with Amazon or the Fitcamx site. Again, thank you Fitcamx so much for sponsoring this video and get you guys an OEM Plus dash today. AR out.